Welcome back, curious minds! Today, we're going to unveil the secrets behind cultivating mushrooms in a factory setting. Join us on this fascinating journey as we explore the step-by-step process of growing these remarkable fungi from scratch. Let's get started. Our journey begins at the heart of the mushroom cultivation process, substrate preparation. This vital step involves creating a nutritious, sterilized medium that provides the necessary foundation for mushroom growth and development. The first crucial decision is selecting the appropriate substrate material. Different mushroom species have varying preferences. In many cases, the chosen substrate material requires pre-treatment to create an optimal environment for mushroom colonization. Pre-treatment methods include soaking, boiling, or steaming the substrate. This process removes unwanted microorganisms, reduces competition, and enhances the nutritional content. The boiling wood chip bundles are put into this machine through forklifts so that the wood chip bundles can be broken and the wood chips separated. Once the substrate material is properly treated, it's time to mix and condition it. In this step, additional ingredients may be added to enrich the substrate's nutritional value. Common additives include nitrogen-rich supplements like wheat bran or soybean meal, gypsum for calcium, and limestone to adjust pH levels. Moisture plays a crucial role in substrate preparation. The substrate should be damp, but not overly wet. Skilled growers monitor the moisture content and adjust it as necessary, ensuring an optimal environment for mycelium growth without inviting mold or bacterial contamination. After sterilization or pasteurization, the substrate must cool down to an appropriate temperature suitable for mushroom inoculation. Once cooled, the inoculation process begins by introducing mushroom spawn, or mycelium, into the substrate. This kickstarts the colonization process, where the mycelium grows and spreads throughout the substrate. Cultivating mushrooms begins with careful strain selection. Different species of mushrooms require specific environmental conditions and substrates for optimal growth. Expert growers choose high-quality mushroom spores or spawn, which act as the starting point for cultivation. In this case, these strains are bagged and sent to the laboratory, where the strains are developed and freed from microorganisms. After substrate preparation and strain selection, the inoculation process begins. Inoculation is the process of introducing the mushroom spawn to the prepared substrate. The spawn, which contains mycelium, is evenly distributed and mixed with the substrate. This allows the mycelium to colonize the substrate and establish a network of interconnected threads. The spawn-mixed substrate is put into the mixing machine by conveyor, where the substrate is better mixed. Then these mixtures are deposited on the incubation line. As a result, these mixtures enter the incubation room. The incubation process starts now. The substrate trays are placed in a controlled environment known as the incubation chamber. This chamber provides the necessary temperature, humidity, and darkness for the mycelium to grow and spread throughout the substrate. Mushrooms typically require a temperature range of 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels around 90%. Adequate air circulation is crucial to prevent the buildup of carbon dioxide and ensure proper oxygen exchange. Once the mycelium has colonized the substrate, it is time to induce fruiting. As the fruiting conditions are optimized, tiny pin-like structures called pins start to appear on the surface of the substrate. These pins eventually develop into mature mushrooms. Skilled workers use their dexterous hands to gently pluck mushrooms from the growing medium, ensuring minimal damage to the fragile caps and stems. As the mushrooms are picked, they are carefully collected in baskets or trays. These containers are designed to provide proper airflow during the harvesting process. Some mushroom factories also employ machine-assisted grading systems. These machines utilize advanced technologies, such as computer vision and image processing algorithms, to automate the grading process. The machines analyze various characteristics of each mushroom, such as size, color, and shape, and assign them to specific grades accordingly. By utilizing advanced imaging technology, the machine-assisted systems can accurately detect any signs of spoilage or contamination in the mushrooms. In this case, a robotic hand works to separate the spoiled mushrooms very precisely. This automated grading process not only increases efficiency, but it also ensures consistency in the grading standards. This ensures that only high-quality mushrooms are selected for packaging and distribution, reducing the risk of health hazards for consumers and enhancing overall product safety. Then these selected mushrooms are sent to the washing room through the line. On the other hand, the remaining substrate trays after harvesting are again taken to the incubation chamber for second and third mushroom production. This process allows for multiple cycles of mushroom growth, maximizing the use of substrate trays and increasing overall mushroom yield. Interested in learning more secrets just like this? Subscribe to our channel. Finally, these substrates are transported out of the factory through conveyors. A gentle stream of water is sprayed over the mushrooms to remove any contaminants. The water pressure is carefully regulated to avoid damaging the delicate mushrooms. Some factories utilize tumbling or vibrating baths filled with water to clean the mushrooms. After washing, the mushrooms go through a drying process. Proper drying techniques help prevent microbial growth, maintain the mushroom's quality, and prolong their shelf life. Additionally, these machine-assisted systems can handle large volumes of mushrooms, allowing factories to meet higher demand and maintain a steady supply in the market. Mushrooms are cut in different ways in the factory, such as slicing. Using a sharp knife or a special slicing machine, mushrooms can be sliced into uniform slices of desired thickness. Dicing. Mushrooms can be cut into small, evenly sized cubes. Quartering or halving. Some mushroom varieties, such as large portobello or shiitake mushrooms, can be quartered or halved to achieve the desired size or presentation. These mushrooms are filled in plastic containers through the packaging machine. At the same time, another robotic arm closes the lids of the containers. Then, these containers are leveled by the machine, where the company name, production date, expiry date, and product price are written. With the mushrooms packaged and ready, they are distributed to various markets, including grocery stores, restaurants, and specialty shops. And there you have it, the comprehensive journey of cultivating mushrooms in a factory. We've explored strain selection, substrate preparation, inoculation, incubation, fruiting, harvesting, cleaning, and packaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting food production insights. Until then, keep exploring and cultivating your curiosity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.